Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the new regulations for the EVs. When I first bought my Tesla, I thought, well, you know what, I can drive it in the EV, the carpool lane, as much as I like, right? And that was one of the incentive for the customers to buy an EV or to get into EVs. However, that thing's going to end as of October 1st. So that's what, if you're an EV owner, regardless of whether you're Tesla or any other companies, that program has ended. And so we're going to go take a look at this and then to learn more about this. And then we're going to move over to the, what if like we have a violation? So what is the fees, So it's just a quick overview. California's Clean Air Vehicle Decal program has ended, with all decals becoming invalid on October 1st, 2025. Application for new and replacement decals were stopped on August 29, 2025. Up to this date, vehicles with CAV decals must meet the posted carpool lane occupancy requirements to avoid citation. So if it's posted that we need two or more people to be inside the vehicles, then that's what we have to have. We can't just be driving a single person, a single driver anymore. So the definition of two person or more. So a lot of times, people try to trick the system, or they post it like a mannequin or something with glasses or what had to cover up, just to see if they can get away with it, and. Well, that doesn't count. If you get caught, that's going to be a big fine right there. And one of the thing is, like, what if a pregnant woman, would that consider as two people? No, that's not. So you got to have this two separate entities. So just so you guys know. The key date that we just mentioned is August 29th, the last day to apply for decal. October 1st, all decals are no longer valid, right? So what does this mean for drivers? Carpool lane access. After September 30th, only vehicles with the required number of occupants can use the carpool lanes. Like mentioned, I think most of them are two or more. Citation. Vehicles without the required number of occupants will be subject to citations. And here, all right, so this is the caveat. So let's go over to the citation. So what is the citation? So here, this is the signs that most likely we're going to see on the freeway. Right, so in California, the minimum fine for an HOV violation is approximately $490, but the total cost can be higher due to the county-specific administrative fees and potential increase insurance premiums. While the first-time violation typically don't add points to your license, subsequent violations or crossing the solid lines, white lines into the HOV lanes can result in points and higher fines. So just make sure we don't do it, right? Here is a cost breakdown. Baseline is $490 for violations. And this is the penal code, if you ever get it. County fees, depending on the counties, may be more, maybe less. And your insurance may increase. So that's something that you really don't want, the increase in the premium. So off the topic, but I don't know if you guys, but I have Tesla insurance, and I used to, the upcoming premium month, my premium went up from $212 to $257. Did any of you guys get that increase as well? And I don't know what the reason is, because I haven't had any accident. I haven't had any citations. Everything's still the same. We're still doing same vehicles. Same, yet it's increased like about $40 per month. I don't know. Points. Going back to this one here. Points are generally a standard HOV violation. Here's the code right here. Does not add points to your license. However, violating the rule for crossing the double yellow or solid white line to enter or exit HOV lane is a moving violation and can result in a point on your license. And then factors that increase the cost. Repeat offenses. The fines for repeat offenders may be higher, county, all that stuff. So, bottom line is, it kind of sucks. I don't know whether this is due to different perspective, different point of views, different political views. Maybe Elon's getting it with our governor, Gavin Newsom's, or I don't know, for some reason. But it sucks that they took it away from us, right? So now we can't be in the carpool lane. So remember, violations can be extremely high, $490. So just that's a minimum. So make sure we don't violate that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just want to give you guys an update. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. And if you're going to look into buying a Tesla, don't forget to use my referral code. For if you're going to get a Model 3, Model Y, you're going to get 3 months free of full self-driving. And if you're going to get a Model S, X, and the Cybertruck, it'll be $1,000 off. Once again, thank you for those people that already used the referral code. Other than that, it's Saturday. Be safe. Till next time.